Informatic University, major in accounting, class 60.1B.24. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Naira, you can call me Unai. My student number ID is 63251199. And then this is my friend.
Hello, my name is Elia. You can call me Ellie. My student number ID 63251176. And then we would create dialogue first impression Miss Sufi.
A few moments later.
Hello Nai, how are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. Today we have class, you know.
I see. By the way, this is our first meeting with Miss Sufi, right?
Sure. I'm really curious about Miss Sufi teaching methods.
Me too. But don't forget to join the Zoom meeting at 6:50 o'clock.
Okay, thank you for remember.
Okay. Was the class with Miss Sufi earlier?
It wasn't as scary as I think because it turns out Miss Sufi is humble.
I agree with your opinion.
What do you think about your first impression of meeting with Miss Sufi?
I thought the first meeting will be tense, but it turns out her demeanor is fun.
Yes, I also agree with your opinion. What do you think about Miss Sufi teaching methods?
In my opinion, her exam method is simple to understand, and then the individual assessment she gives are not burdensome for us, especially for those of us who are working.
That's right. It turns out the texts have a long deadline because the assessments are due in the 11th meeting.
Yes, I'm also so happy with Miss Sufi teaching methods.
Hopefully, in the future, we will be even more always excited to participate in Miss Sufi lesson.
Okay, see you next time.
That concludes the dialogue about the first meeting with Miss Sufi for the first English project. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Hello everyone, my name is Naira Khadila. You can call me Unai. My student ID number is 60251199, major in accounting, Vinasarana Informatica University. I will be presenting material on adverbs of frequency. What is an adverb of frequency? That is used to indicate how often an activity event occurs. This adverb answers the question how often is also often used in sentences to provide future information about the frequency of an action. Definite adverbs of frequency. Definite frequency refers to a specific pattern in which an event occurs regularly and can be partially measured in specific quantities. 1. Every. 2. Number frequency. 3. Specific time frequency. 1. Every to indicate a regular factor, 10 occurs at fixed intervals. Examples: she always ate breakfast at 7 a.m. 2. Number frequency include once, twice, etc. You can use adverbs that indicate frequency such as once and so on. Example: he is always on time. 3. Specific time frequency. Hardly daily occurs to describe a more specific frequency on a regular basis. There are adverbs of frequency such as hardly daily. Example: Rara met her boyfriend once. Identified adverbs of frequency. Identified adverbs of frequency provide a general description of how often an action occurs within a specific time. 1. Adverb of frequency for verbal sentences. In sentences that have verbs, adverbs of frequency are placed before the main verb. Formula is subject plus adverbs of frequency plus verb. 2. Adverbs of frequency in nominal sentences. Nominal sentences are sentences that use to be, am, is, are, was, were. In this pattern, the adverbs of frequency is placed after to be to indicate that the frequency of subject conditional or state. Formula is subject plus to be plus adverb of frequency. 3. Adverbs of frequency per emphasis. Per emphasis, adverbs of frequency can be placed at the beginning of a sentence before the subject to highlight how often someone performs an action. Formula is adverbs of frequency plus subject plus verb plus predicate subject plus verb plus predicate, and then last but not least plus adverbs of frequency. 4. Adverbs of frequency in interrogative sentences. To make an interrogative sentence, you usually use how often, followed by an auxiliary verb, do, does, did, a subject, and the main verb. Formula is auxiliary verb plus subject plus adverbs of frequency plus verb plus predicate plus 5. Adverbs of frequency with modal verbs and auxiliary verbs. When using modal verbs, can, could, will, would, should, must, or auxiliary verbs have, has, and, is, are, was, were. Formula is subject plus modal verb plus adverb of frequency plus main. Adverbs of frequency of example. 1. Definite adverbs of frequency. The example: I visit my grandparents weekly. She checks her email daily. 2. Identify adverbs of frequency. She always arrives on time. We usually have dinner at 7 p.m. Placements of adverbs of frequency in sentences. A. Between the subject and verb. For most verbs, the adverb of frequency occurs between the subject and the verb. Example: she often reads before. B. After the verb to be. When to be is the main verb, the adverb of frequency follows it. Example: they are always punctual. C. Between auxiliary or modal verb and main verb. If the sentence includes an auxiliary or a modal verb, the adverb of frequency comes between and at the main verb. Example: he can usually attend the meeting. Common adverbs of frequency and their usage. Her son, for example, this is, you can see the table. That's all from me. Thank you for watching and see you.